Introducing website care and hosting from Figment. A high-performance website builds customer loyalty, generates leads, and boosts sales. But if you don't properly look after your website, your business is at risk. You can lose time, damage reputation, and miss out on sales. Fixing a website isn't everyone's cup of tea. You may be too busy to spend time tinkering with your website. Maybe you're nervous about breaking something, or perhaps you're simply not techie. The solution? Figment Website Care and Hosting. Save time. You've not got the time to waste fiddling behind the scenes? Our UK-based team will save you all the hassle and stress so you can work on growing your business. Reduce risk. Worried about the damage caused by data breaches, malware, and hacks? Our WordPress experts have you covered. Reduce costs. You'll save thousands versus hiring an in-house webmaster, and you'll have a team you can rely on for jargon-free support. Increase traffic. A speedy, reliable, and secure website builds endless trust with Google. That means boosted search traffic, faster growth, and an increase in sales. All this to give you complete peace of mind. So why stress about your website when you can enjoy cost-effective website care and hosting from Figment? Got a question or need some help choosing the right package for you? Get in touch today. Figment, your website in safe hands.